All eyes are set on the results for the Tripura civic body polls, a litmus test for the BJP ahead of the 2023 assembly elections. The local body polls would also be a deciding factor for the TMC, which is looking to make a foray into the state. However, it will be also interesting to watch if the CPIM, which has ruled the state for 25 years, can make an impact. It may be mentioned that counting will take place for 6 Nagar Panchayats, 7 municipal councils and the Agartala Municipal Corporation in 13 counting centres all over the state. Altogether, there are 334 seats in the urban local bodies, including 51 wards in the Agartala Municipal Corporation, 13 municipal councils and 6 Nagar Panchayats. The ruling BJP has already won 112 seats uncontested out of the total 334 seats in AMC and 19 urban bodies. In the remaining 222 seats, as many as 785 contestants are in the fray after 36 candidates withdrew their nominations. Meanwhile, the State Police Authority has assured 3-tier security for polled EVMs counting. As per police sources, additional 2 companies of CRPF were called from Silchar in view of ensuring tight security during counting. Moreover, the entire counting process will be brought under CCTV coverage and all 3 layers of security would be erected by CRPF and BSF Jawans. Police have undertaken adequate measures in the poll-bound urban areas following the allegations of threat, intimidations and rigging levelled by the CPIM and TMC. Well, it may be mentioned here that Trinamool Congress and CPIM separately had moved the Supreme Court seeking action to countermand the civic polls in Tripura and also to stop the counting of votes till the Supreme Court responds. The Left Front wrote to the State Election Commission demanding all counting halls be under CCTV coverage, 3 rings of security cover. So here's a big story we are tracking this morning. Well, all eyes are set on the results for the Tripura civic body polls. And also let me tell our viewers here that it will be a litmus test for the BJP ahead of the 2023 assembly elections. The local body polls would also be a deciding factor for the TMC, which is looking to make a foray into the state. So let me tell our viewers here that elections for more than 200 seats in the Agartala Municipal Corporation and other municipal bodies, along with 6 Nagar Panchayats, was held on Thursday amid tight security arrangements.
आरोप और प्रत्यारोप के बीच में आखिर में सुप्रीम कोर्ट का निर्देश के अनुसार पोलिंग के दिन सुरक्षा काफी बढ़ाया गया है और फिलहाल काउंटिंग भी यहां काफी सुरक्षा के साथ शुरू हुआ है। परंतु कल रविवार को स्टेट इलेक्शन कमीशन के एक ऑर्डर जिसके अनुसार पोलिंग एजेंट बढ़ाया जा सकता है, उसके ऊपर अपोजिशन वालों ने ये आरोप लगाया कि ये बीजेपी को फायदा के लिए किया गया है, जो कि बीजेपी ने उसको पूरा डिनाई किया। पर अभी देखना यही है काउंटिंग में रिजल्ट क्या आते हैं और अगर अपोजिशन को इसमें कुछ भी अच्छा रिजल्ट मिला तो ये आने वाले 2023 के असेंबली इलेक्शन के लिए ऑक्सीजन जुटाएगा। पर बीजेपी ये मान के चल रहे हैं तो उनको बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट मिलेगा। देखते हैं रिजल्ट क्या आते हैं। और इस अगरतला के नॉर्थ ईस्ट लाइव के लिए नाटी दास के कैमरा पर्सन विश्वजीत।
So viewers, that was Assistant News Editor Pinaki Das from Agartala, who is outside in one of the counting halls. And also let me tell our viewers here that it's a battle of prestige for both the Trinamool Congress and the BJP. And apart from the TMC, opposition CPIM too is looking to make a comeback in these polls. So, however, it will be also interesting to watch if the CPIM, which has ruled the state for 25 years, can make an impact. Well, it may be mentioned that counting will take place for 6 Nagar Panchayats, 7 municipal councils, and the Agartala Municipal Corporation in 13 counting centers all over the state. And altogether, there are 334 seats in the urban local bodies, including 51 wards of the Agartala Municipal Corporation, 13 municipal councils and 6 Nagar Panchayats. And as I've already mentioned that the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party in Tripura has already won 112 seats uncontested out of the 334 seats in AMC and 19 urban bodies. And meanwhile, in the remaining 222 seats, as many as 785 contestants are in the fray after 36 candidates withdrew their nominations. And as you can see on your screens, the State Police Authority has assured 3-tier security for polled EVMs counting. And as per police sources that we're getting at this point in time, additional 2 companies of CRPF were called from Silchar in view of ensuring tight security during counting. Moreover, the entire counting process will be brought under CCTV coverage, and all 3 layers of security would be erected by CRPF and BSF Jawans. All right, to know more, we are being joined live with our news editor, Nabarun Goswami from the newsroom. So, Nabarun, it will be a battle of prestige for both the BJP and the TMC. TMC making an all-out effort to make a mark ahead of the assembly elections. And also, Nabarun, my question to you, has the countdown begun? Any update on that, Nabarun? Your take on this?
Yes, Priya, as we speak, the counting has just began for the Tripura Civic Body and Nagar Panchayat polls. Very crucial this, no other civic body polls at this point in time has generated so much interest as in Tripura, only because the TMC, the Mamata Banerjee-led Trinamool Congress, is trying to make inroads into the poll-bound state. All eyes, Priya, would be on the Agartala Municipal Corporation polls. Out of the 334 seats, the BJP has already 112 uncontested. But for the remaining seats, even if the TMC can get a few seats, can also get 4, 5, whatever numbers they can get, it will be a big boost to the party. However, whatever you're picking up seems that the BJP is expected to do well despite everything. There was a huge turnout, over 80% turnout, mind you. And the opposition, the TMC, had alleged large-scale rigging and violence, which the state government has denied. Security was tight even on polling day after Supreme Court directives. Security is tight for counting, but all in all, it will be very, very exciting. And of course, this is being seen as a semi-final of sorts before the 2023 Assembly elections. Why this is very crucial is because, especially the Agartala municipal polls, is because it will show if the TMC has been able to make any impact. The TMC has been able to make a lot of noise in Tripura, mind you, of late, in the last couple of months or more. So the results will show now if that noise that the TMC has been able to create is that being transformed into votes. That is something which will be very crucial for the party's prospects, and that's why there is so much interest in these polls. Again, also the CPIM, it will be seen whether the CPIM, where it stands now. As of now, it seems the CPIM has lost ground. The TMC is being seen as the main reckoning force, the main rival of the BJP, simply due to the political activities that we have seen. We have had the top leaders of the TMC, Abhishek Banerjee, other leaders, MPs, ministers, MLAs from Bengal landing. So the TMC has been able to be in news consistently, and that's why they have all of a sudden taken that spot of the main rival of the BJP. But can the CPIM also spring a surprise? Can they get a sizable number of seats? Can they also come back in the reckoning? That will also be interesting to watch out. But end of the day, Priya, whatever the outcome may be, it's still still a battle of prestige for the BJP, which has been claiming that it is in firm control of the state, and parties like TMC with no base in the state will be no match for it. So as the day progresses, things will be more clear.
And Nabarun, now talking about the security arrangement, well, security and law and order has been the biggest concern in the run-up to the polls, isn't it? And we have seen a tight security arrangement outside the counting halls today.
Absolutely. Even during polling, we had the Supreme Court directing additional CAPF, CRPF companies for the voting process. Despite that, we have had dharnas, demonstrations from both the left and the TMC and Congress accusing that there is rigging going on, there has been violence and no action has been taken. But overall, the security deployment has been very, very tight. Elaborate security arrangements were in place on polling day as well. There have been allegations, the government has flatly denied it. But yes, as far as the security is concerned, even the top court has been monitoring the security situation in Tripura, especially after the TMC moved the Supreme Court requesting that the civic body polls be deferred because the law and order scenario in the state is not appropriate, is not conducive to hold any polls. But of course, that request was not considered. But additional forces, the Supreme Court, the apex court had directed the center to send additional forces through Tripura, Central Paramilitary Forces through Tripura for the polls, which was done. 15 additional companies were there, especially in Agartala. Security was very tight. And even today, as we can see, some of the visuals that have been sent by our team in Tripura, we can see elaborate security arrangements. Yes, states like Tripura have been known for security concerns, law and order concerns during elections. That is there. But as of now, even no one would want a security issue, especially after what happened in the run-up to the civic body polls with the matter going to the Supreme Court. So even the state government has assured that law and order will be taken care of.